Number 2 free, ne? No. Okay. She didn't be indicated. Let's go and see him.
November, and you had all this time.
Prima 8, why has this vehicle been stopped?
Okay, so this vehicle has been stopped.
Our viewers would like to find out why this tipper
So
truck has been
basically,
stopped along Momba Road.
What happens is this: as we are patrolling, we have to check on the roadworthiness of the vehicles.
And how do you check that? Do you stop every car and check manually if they have valid road tax fitness?
In certain exceptional circumstances, we do stop them manually and check.
Okay.
But then in other circumstances, we use the application that is provided
mobile
to us,
application.
the mobile application by the agency.
Okay.
So upon checking this one, we had found out that it has expired road tax. The road tax expired in November. That was last month.
Last month. Okay.
For that reason, together, if you can notice, just tilt the phone.
Okay.
You can see these trucks are not supposed to move on the road without putting a taint. So that load is unsecured. It's supposed to have a secured load. Without that, those things are loaded above the exceptional given level.
Okay.
Then it's supposed to have a taint. And then the other things like building stones, sand, and other things, those that will go with the wind.
Okay.
As long as you're carrying such materials, you're supposed to have something that's going to prevent those materials from spilling off and flying off.
Okay, and
So
why is
that's
the covering necessary?
The covering
just
is
in case you have somebody who's just logged in, they've just joined us, they don't know what we're talking about. So this tipper truck has been stopped for expired road tax and having an unsecured load is, but we need to find out why stop the truck because it doesn't have a tent over the sand.
So basically what will happen is this: as he is moving, his concentration is on the road in front.
Yes.
Right? He does not know what is happening behind.
Right.
Now, with the way the load is, anything that will spill off will end up falling either down or on any other vehicle that is behind him.
Okay.
Now, if these were big rocks or stones, or just as they are, and they fall on another person's motor vehicle, say on the windscreen, there's a very big possibility that that windscreen will have a crack.
Yes.
That's just what it is. So that load is unsecured. These tipper trucks and any other truck carrying goods or carrying any other things behind is supposed to make sure that the goods that they're carrying are secured and not the way it is.
Because I can see from here, this little bunch is almost falling off. That's just a bit.
That's just the bridge. There.
So, my t-shirt road taxi alipwa? Ni moto ka yeno? Ba boss when Oh, ba boss when tabeshi bati road tax naipwa?
Aishiwe so I can test road. Test road
na mulonga.
Yeah, it's the back down pipe ya mwena. So he finish ya mumu. So apparently stay down.
When did the road tax expire again? November?
November. According to our system, the road tax expired on 16th November. I'm not too sure. November.
Okay. Ndio mayenza. Si ndio mayenza. Nio si direct tax boy. Nasi la mnojua. There's something that expires in the second quarter.
So now, according to our system, not only is the road tax expired, the insurance is also expired.
Oh, so as long as the road tax is expired, then the insurance is also expired.
That's not usually the case. But right now, you cannot buy